Obviously, we know we have to walk past the fort because we know that runs. But I guess it is time to figure out what is wrong with the Duramax. Well, we better get the hood popped first. Yep, that's it. I found the problem. It's a Duramax. I know you guys absolutely love when I do these deals and these knife promotions, but knivesdeal.com, promo code SendItSteve, 10% off. You can carry yourself a piece like this. Now, once my American flag one is no longer, this is going to be my next carry piece, so freaking sweet. I like it. Now, as you can tell on the back, it has our letter opener, box cutter in the back built in. Great piece. Definitely check them guys out. Send it Steve, all one word, 10% off promo code. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are doing some freaking big things here. We got a bunch going on between, well, the F450, that's just a pretty sweet truck. Between the Bruce, the GTA on the other side, the Sierra, and now, today, we actually have an update. Sorry about the little bit of wind noise there, but we actually have an update for the GMC. So let's go ahead and roll the footage, and we'll tell you guys exactly what's wrong with it. All right, well, since I'm working on trash, you might as well have a good, nice trash can workbench, and let's get started tearing things apart. All right, all joking aside, basically what we're gonna do, let me shut the truck off actually, is we obviously know she sprung a leak, and it's obviously a little hard to find out where the leak is until we go ahead and get some of these accessories out of the way. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and pull some of these accessories and things like that, move them out of the way, and we should have a clear shot of what we are, you know, chasing here as our issue. So give me a couple minutes, let me shut the truck down, and we're gonna start tearing stuff apart. Should do it. That whole bracket should come right out now, hopefully. All right, now there's a screw over here holding this coolant line in place, and there's also one underneath that you'll have to get to, but now we should be able to get this bracket up and out. I went ahead and moved the airbox over because I knew it was going to be in the way, but there's that bracket out of the way, and what appears if our issue is not on this side. So let's go over and tear apart the other side. Now it is hard to kind of pinpoint an issue or where it's coming from, because obviously you can see it's like splashed up all over and around here. Obviously when the fan spins, it is kicking up that coolant and blowing it everywhere. So it's definitely hard to figure out where it's coming from, but we'll be able to figure it out here in a moment. Let me get the OC out of the way and power steering, and we should be able to locate our issue from there. Alrighty, well, we have the Duramax figured out here. Let me get her fired up, and you guys will be able to see our leak. You see it there, the water pump. Put my finger over the leak hole. She stopped leaking. We take it off, and she's just squirting. So there we have it. Now let's call Andy and see what he wants to do here. These water pumps are a little pricey, but you know, it is what it is. Basically, well, let me shut down the truck here and then I'll finish talking. All right, and now that the truck's off, you can actually hear me talk. But the reason it was so hard to locate and pinpoint what it actually was that's running down, and then this fan is literally blowing it all around. Like you can see, it's all blown all over the front of all this stuff up here, and then the crank pulley is rotating, obviously always rotating. So when it's running down the back side, it's slinging up to the passenger side. So you can see it has coolant all over here as well. So that's why it was kind of difficult to actually locate the actual leak here. But hopefully we can call Andy, and he says let's do it. So let me give Andy a call here and see what he wants to do. Like he's busy or something.
Please leave your message for Diablo Formula Racing.
Hello, Mr. Weaver. This is Send It Steve. I'm calling you in regards to your 2001 Chevrolet. Oh, darn it. I'm calling in regards to your GMC Sierra Duramax. I found the problem, and it is actually a waste management issue. So we are going to go ahead and drop your car off at the waste management plant because this thing is junk. If you could give us a call back at 717. All right, thank you, and have a great day, Mr. Weaver. All right, so there you have it. We got to call into Andy. Obviously, that's the reason it is here. He is always busy. I believe he's got a cam job he's doing or something like that, so his hands are probably a little beat up and things like that. But I'm excited. We got it figured out. We now know that it is a water pump issue, and hopefully we can get a water pump. I know they probably got to have them in stock somewhere, but we're going to get a water pump for this thing and get it back together. I'm excited. It's something simple, something easy, and Andy's gonna be good to go. So let me just wait for him to give me a shout back here, and we'll go from there, see what he wants to do. Oh, we got Andy calling back. Hello, Mr. Weaver.
Hello, Send It Steve.
How are you doing, Mr. Weaver?
I'm doing good. A buddy of mine just stopped by with a GX Speed bought that we're going to be doing some work on, which is pretty fucking awesome. I really love those cars.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's an 06. He just got it from the auction, man. It's beautiful, too. It's 5.3 liter V8.
Nice.
And it's really nice. Yeah.
Well, let's get down to business. I called Waste Management, and they're on their way to come get this bucket of shit.
Oh, okay, cool, man. Cool. Do I have to pay the bill for the waste management, or are you going to cover that because they're going to take the rest of your junk out of your yard?
Well, we do have a bill here at our place. We can discuss that at a later date. It's only $43,000, so it's nothing major. But
what about the reach around?
Would you be paying that with a debit card, your mouth, or your back door?
I'd probably be, can we split it? Like, because, you know, I'm low on funds right now, so I'd like to split it between my mouth and the back door.
Okay, yes, we can definitely rectify that.
Okay, awesome. You're really helping me out, by the way, by doing this, you know.
I appreciate it. Anyway, buddy.
You want to laugh.
Yeah, I can't even hold that together. I don't even know if that's gonna make the video, but if it does, it'll be like at the very, very end.
Definitely need to make the video.
Yeah, we'll see. But it looks like it's just your water. Looks like it's just your water pump, buddy.
Really?
Yep.
So what happened? What do you see? Like, what's your professional? Tell me what your professional fucking diagnosis is.
Your weep hole. It's just.
I got a weep for you.
It's just dripping out of your weep.
It's dripping out of my weep. I wonder if it's been dripping out of there. Was it dripping?
It had to have been.
Does it look like it was dripping towards the head?
Yeah, like you can see where it's all splashing. I just sent you a video here.
No, I didn't even see it yet. I didn't even get it yet.
I literally just sent it.
I'll see it after I get off the phone with you.
Yeah, but yeah, it's literally just the weep hole at the very top of the water pump. So I have one on order. It'll be here tomorrow. It is only $643. But
Oh, sounds fucking great. Just, you know what? Send that motherfucker back and get yourself some JB Wells.
Perfect. I like the way you're doing it. Backyard built.
Backyard built, man.
Definitely. Well, all right. So you're okaying the work. It's only like $70. I think it was like $65.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and make it happen.
Whew. Alrighty, now that we talked to Andy and we have the go ahead and pull this out, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. As you guys do know, the water pump is a day out, so it will be here tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the water pump out so I can show you guys what it looks like and everything like that, since I know some of you are probably wondering what it looks like and everything, because it kind of is hard to tell with it being down there. Now, a lot of you will be confused thinking that this here is actually the water pump. However, it is not. It's just kind of like a bearing that rides on for the cooling fan. So the water pump is actually back there, driven by a shaft, and you'll see it when I get it out. So let me go ahead and rip it out, and I'll show you guys in a couple of seconds. It's only 3 bolts, I believe, plus the top 2, and then there's 2 on the bottom. Not sure how well you can see down there, but there's 1 up top, 1 down at the bottom. Then there is 1 on the top back here, obviously these 2 here, and then there's 1 kind of catty corner and the 1 down on the other. This one obviously will stay together because it's on the back side of the housing, but let me go ahead and rip it out, and I'll show you guys in a couple seconds. Guys, this is not by any means a promotion by Milwaukee, but if you guys work on cars, you know, even on a weekly basis, or do things around the house with sockets on a weekly basis, go buy this ratchet. Like, it's freaking awesome. You know how many people have reached out and said because of me they've purchased that ratchet and they absolutely love it? So do yourself some research, guys, and go buy your cheapest one. I bought mine, I believe, at Home Depot. It was the cheapest place I found it, but they're definitely a sweet piece to have. Now, as you can tell, this piece here will come with a new O-ring up top, so you're gonna definitely want to get that. And it's just water in here, guys. It's definitely not coolant. He's been having a leak for quite some time. Alrighty, guys, well, we have the water pump out, and like I said, the new one won't be in here until tomorrow. If you guys have never seen this, this is actually driven by a gear on the inside, and the water pump itself is behind here. Obviously we know the inlet goes here, outlet, and pretty much feeds it through the system. Now, I'll take you over here. Sorry, it is a little dark out, but you can see the opening down yonder. See if I can get a good cool shot of it for you guys. Not sure how well you guys can see that, as I can't really see the GoPro, but you can see there it is a gear that drives it. And pretty much, you know, it's a simple setup. You gotta actually pull the crank pulley off, as you can tell by the crank pulley sitting down here, the crank bolt, everything like that. So now tomorrow morning when I get the new part in, we will toss it back together and be ready to rock and roll. So with that being said, guys, we now know what is wrong with Diablo Formula Racing's Duramax. He should be able to get back on the road by the end of, well, tomorrow. Actually, by the time you guys see this video, that truck will should be back on the road. But there you have it, guys. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we have a bunch coming to you this week. Now, I think the next video that we are going to have is us laying the motor into the Bruce project up here. I'm not 100% sure what video you're going to see next, or we have parts for the C5. So drop a comment down below which one you want to see first. You want to see the engine go on the Bruce, or you want to see the C5, you know, back to rolling around and able to be moving. So drop a comment down below, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next upload. See, everybody should just be this happy and positive. A spring.